Coaching is the second fastest growing industry in the world today next to information technology. Over the last decade, this industry is registering a double-digit growth rate. With the global pandemic happening and the great resignation in the world, more and more individuals are considering this industry to be their best next option in career growth and development. Many industries and many organizations are also considering having life coaches in their organization. So if you are one person who's thinking of becoming a professional certified life coach, if you are one person who wants to embark on this journey, then this video is for you. Consider subscribing to this channel because over the next 96 days, I will be sharing with you coaching toolkits for you to use, master, and scale your business. So if you are one person who's thinking, this is for me, can I use this? Can I grow with coaching? Then your best way is to look into the toolkits, look into the resources that I will be providing over the next 96 more days. So let's begin. Welcome to day 4. For today, we're going to be talking about 5 things that you need to create to grow and stay strong or play strong in the coaching industry. So these 5 things that you need to create are essential, or I would say you cannot go without. Many professionals or many individuals getting into life coaching forget that there are basics and there are fundamentals in the industry. And these things that you need to create are what I call the fundamentals. Number 1, you need to understand that you are the service provider. You are the business. And so what you need to create first is your expectation of the business. Will you be doing this full time? Will this be your side hustle? How much time do you expect for you to see growth, progress, or I would say success in your own terms? You need to create a very realistic timeline and you need to see if you are truly in love with solving problem because life coaching is an industry or a business that solves problem. If you are meeting me for the first time, by the way, I am Master Coach A. I am a professional certified life coach. I'm a coaching entrepreneur. And since 2017, I've been helping people grow their professional coaching business. I am the founder. I am the creator of Life Coach Philippines, where we train, coach, and help people grow their business by tribe building. So one of the things that you also need to create is your coaching environment. Hence, I invite you to take a look at what we're doing in Life Coach Philippines in terms of tribe building. Many individuals get into life coaching without market, without people, without a niche, without an avatar. Yes, it's going to be frustrating to get started and do all your market research. But if you do it through tribe building, through community engagement, and a lot of things that we offer in Life Coach Philippines, you will see that there's a lot of opportunities open for you if only you are part of a group that is already doing the profession. Number 3, you should be able to create your own product, or I would say productize coaching. There's a lot of ways for you to productize coaching. You can offer it as a one-on-one service. You can offer it as a digital product. You can offer it also as part of a training program and a lot more. But you should be able to create your own coaching product. You should be able to productize this if you want to stand out. Number 4, you should be able to create your own marketing strategy. And when I say marketing strategy, even before you start creating your system on delivering your coaching package or your coaching product, you're supposed to be able to understand what would you be doing in your marketing. Will you be going face-to-face? Will you be going digital or social commerce? Will you be going corporate? Will you be going on just a one-on-one person or going to where the people is and just engaging and grow from there? Number 5, you need to be able to create your coaching model. So are you one person who's just gonna create a product for one person? Will you be doing one-on-one, one to many, or many to many? All this and more you should be able to do in the toolkit that I will be providing for you today. So consider downloading the toolkit for today because this is available for you for free only for a limited time offer. If ever you need some processing, if you have more questions and you want to dive deeper more on these 5 things that you need to create, follow and come back tomorrow because tomorrow we will be starting really the detailed creation of each of these 5 items. Till then, have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 5.